This is Blizzard Grayson, and it's still kicking butt. A lot of wind and a lot of snow and icicles, and it's still supposed to snow for a few more hours. The winds got up to like 45, 50 miles an hour, and it doesn't look like we got much, but it's been all blowing around. This is a historic storm for here, for the East Coast. I said the East Coast is getting slammed all up and down. Boston and them are supposed to get more than a foot of snow, and I think it's pretty cool. I got the day off of work, so I'm enjoying this. Wow, you can hear the wind whipping in the back. We don't get storms very much down here, but this is like I said, a historic one. It's cold out too. It's hard to tell how much snow we got. It's all being blown around. At least probably 8 inches. I love the snow. Ooh, it's coming down harder now. Hear that wind?